Hello all, welcome back. This video is the continuation of the previous video where we built two activities inside a pipeline. One is get metadata and the other is filter. In this video, we're going to build two more activities inside this pipeline. First one is for each, which is like a for loop, and the other is a copy activity. So let's start. I'm here on the canvas. We have the two activities connected. Now let's go to activities and insert another activity, which is a for each. Bring here, you could use this button to reset the canvas. So let me connect the output of this to this activity, and inside for each I want to add the copy data activity. So you could see main canvas. Inside for each I have copy data, so add to canvas. Okay, so if you go back to the main canvas, this is what our pipeline looks like. Get metadata, filter CSVs, and then go to this for each and copy the data. But first let's look at the output of filter CSV. So if we click here, filter CSV output, maximize, it is a dictionary with three keys: items count, filtered items count, and value. So value is an array. It's an array of all the required file names and the types. So what I'm essentially doing is for I in item dot value. So this would give each item of the array. I want to carry out the copy data activity. So this is what I'm going to do here. For each item inside the output of filter CSV, I want to copy that into some destination. Okay, first we will fix the for each. So I'm clicking on for each and we have some settings to make items. So go here, add dynamic content, the output of filter CSV, but in that output I want value key. I mean, the output of that will be an array of all the different files. So I'm clicking OK. But before that, I want to make a small change in filter CSV. Previously, we have written contains function, which checks for the name and whether the name contains CSV. I'm making the change to ends with function. If the name ends with .csv, then that should be filtered. Okay, that is a little change I want to make because contains is not performing. I just checked it. So after that, we already set the settings for each. Now go to copy data. For the source, my source is raw lakehouse. In the raw lakehouse, my data is in raw data CSV, which contains all the CSVs and a JSON and a Parquet file. Click OK. Now the file name, here I should give a dynamic content because I want only the CSV files. That is accomplished by my filter activity and the for each iteration. So I'll add dynamic content. The content should be for each item dot name. So what it does is, out of all the items in the raw data CSV folder, I'll pick only the items which are coming out of the for each. Now where is the for each loop getting the input from? It is getting the input from filter CSV. So in effect, we are giving the condition to copy the data of only the CSV files from the source. Now let's go to destination. Now my destination is Bronze Lakehouse. In that it should be files. Let's check browse. These are all the existing files and folders. Click OK. I want to give a new folder name. Source data CSV. File format is delimited text. Destination must be binary when source is a binary or format. My source is okay, it should be delimited text. Now this should be fine. All things are set, there are no asterisks. Now let's run the pipeline. Click on validate, click on run, save and run. My pipeline status is in progress, succeeded. Now let's go to our Bronze Lakehouse, click on refresh. We got the source data CSV here. Let's click on that and we got all the files which are only CSVs. In the next video, we'll work on the CSV files in our Bronze Lakehouse. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.